Hello everyone, let's start solving this question which came in bi-weekly contest 173. So the question is reverse string prefix. So it is a easy level question. You are given in a string s and integer k. Reverse the first k characters of s and return the resulting string. So what we will use is we will simply use the string builder here, and initially the value should be what, first k element. So I will use substring from 0 to k. Okay, now what we want to return is we want to reverse this. So I will do sb dot reverse and dot to string, okay, in string format, plus what, plus the remaining one, and I'll take substring from k. That's it. Let's run this. Yeah, let's submit this solution. Yes, it got accepted. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you feel this video is helpful to you, please like this video, subscribe my channel, stay updated. Thank you.